Did you know that the Taiwan e-visa lets you stay in Taiwan for 14 days, remains valid for 90 days, gives you multiple entries and is 100% paperless? No embassy lines, no piles of paperwork, just apply from anywhere in the world and get approved without ever leaving your seat. We'll walk you through the step-by-step application process and share essential immigration tips so you can land in Taiwan confident and prepared. Indian nationals can apply for a Taiwan e-visa if they meet the following requirements. You must have a travel or medical insurance, of course, and a valid visa from EU or Schengen countries, USA, UK. Now on to the important part. Here's how you can apply for a Taiwan tourist e-visa in just 7 simple steps. Step 1. Open the Atlas app or website and select Taiwan as your destination. Step 2. Choose the date you want your visa for. Step 3. With Atlas, you can upload any passport photo and we'll automatically adjust it to fit the official specifications in seconds. Step 4. If you've used Atlas before, your information will be already pre-filled. You'll just need to add your email address and phone number. Step 5. Upload a copy of your valid Schengen, UK or US visa. Step 6. Add any co-travelers if you're applying together. You can also add travel insurance at this stage. Step 7. Submit your application, make the payment and you're done. Your Taiwan e-visa will be ready in less than an hour. You can check your visa status by logging into your Atlas profile. Once approved, your Taiwan e-visa will appear there, ready to download. After you get your Taiwan e-visa, here's what to expect at the airport. Once your Taiwan e-visa is approved on Atlas, you're almost ready to go. The last step, clearing immigration smoothly when you land. For that, you need to keep the following documents in hand. Purpose and duration of visit. Be prepared to state whether you're traveling for tourism, business or family and how long you intend to stay. Proof of onward travel and accommodation. Have documentation confirming your departure from the country and where you'll be staying. Financial stability. Be ready to show proof that you can cover your trip expenses. Travel insurance. Have documentation of your travel insurance. Planned itinerary. Be able to outline your activities during your trip. Passport validity. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Taiwan e-visa. Carry a printed copy of your e-visa. Flight and hotel confirmations. Have printed confirmations of your bookings. Bank statements or proof of funds. Be able to show evidence of sufficient funds. With your e-visa in hand and these documents ready, you'll breeze through the immigration and start exploring Taiwan without any hiccups. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below and our visa experts will be happy to assist you. And if this video helps you to get your visa, please hit like and share it across. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.